Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to do TikTok voice changer. So this is the new trend on the TikTok or the new feature on the TikTok. How you can get this feature, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store. Once you will do it, after that you have to search for the TikTok. Now here you will see update button. You have to click on that button. If you are on the iPhone or on the Android, you have to follow the same procedure. Once you will do it, go back and you have to tap a while on the TikTok app icon if you are on the Android and click on the info. Now you are in the settings of this application. You have to click on the storage and the cache. Simply you have to click on the clear cache, and once you will do it, you will get this feature on your TikTok mobile application. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.